What is up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Sweets in a Boat, a YouTube channel about fixing, driving, and enjoying your boat in Stockholm Archipelago. Today, I'm going to open up a water tank that hasn't been opened in 25 years. It's the original water tank, never been opened up. I've been able to have a little sneak peek into the water tank, and it doesn't look good. It's really dirty. So today, I'm going to install an inspection hatch so that I can access the tank and clean it whenever I want to. So I found some debris in the filter that goes into the galley pump, and it didn't look too good. Previous owner told me he drank that water. I never drank this water and probably won't drink that water even after I clean the tank. But I want this possibility to open the tank, inspect it, clean it, and empty it out in winterization. And I want the water to be sufficiently clean so I can cook with it and don't have to worry about that. Okay, so this is the water tank right here, and I'm going to put this inspection hatch in the water tank so that it will be easier to access and clean and all that. Check out, So it comprises of two parts. One is the part which is gonna screw on and glued on here, and then this one you just screw on to the tank, and hopefully it will hold the water and all that, and see what happens. Worst case, we just need to seal that hole and do something else. Let's start by drilling. Taking out this hole, put it down, and then I will drill through those holes for the screws, and then we will make that watertight with some sealant. So let's start by just drawing a line here. So what I need to do here is to follow with a saw about a millimeter or two outside this black line, and I would probably be on spot there. What I've got here is a 8mm drill. I'm going to use one of these little things. It's the only drill I have, but I think that will be enough to do the job. I'm just going to put this in here. To drill a guide hole. I'm going to put that inside so I don't mess with the... Got a hole here. Let's see if it will fit the ring. And it won't. So I was a little bit too cautious there with the size of the hole. So we're gonna keep on going here. Okay, there we go. We have it down there. You can feel around. It's not perfect, but it's pretty snug and nice. It's gonna do the job. Just have to see about the structural integrity of the tank. Also, there are some debris in the tank now I need to take care of. Clean it out, and we'll go from there. tank hasn't been cleaned for many years. Or ever. This is what's like installed. It hasn't been opened. It hasn't been cleaned. The previous owner told me he drank this water. I mean, I haven't. Strongly advised all my guests on board this fall, summer, put this water in their mouth. It's super dirty. Oh my. I'm not gonna clean the tank. I'm just gonna take the water out. I'm gonna leave the cleaning to just before the season starts, so I don't have to redo that. Take the water out, take some debris out. I don't know what that is. Some of you viewers know what this is. Let me know in the comment section. So found this in the tank. It's probably from when the previous owner installed a water level sensor. It's been floating around there since I don't know when. Just want to give you guys a look at this. Look at this tank. That's where I've been taking the water out. The water lever has usually been there around that line, and because that's a height of the outlet there that goes to the pump, but never been cleaned. People have been drinking this water, not as previous owner. So a good thing I did this, and hopefully it will work. Right guys, as you saw in that clip, there was a little bit too much sealant around that inspection hatch, so I needed to cut that away to be able to get that lid on and make it nice and tight, because I can hear some air sipping out of it when I push the tank. But then when I removed that additional sealer that I had around that inspection hatch, just got a lot tighter, and hopefully the water will stay in the tank. Alright guys, so that's a wrap. I'm super happy with the result. Now I can open up my water tank and clean it out and have fresh water when I'm out cruising on the islands. Please guys, subscribe also to my channel, hit that like button, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.